Welcome to our full guide on how to hide a post on Facebook after you've posted it. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access the platform. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are visible. Step 3. Locate the post you want to hide and tap on the 3 dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Edit Privacy to adjust who can see the post. Step 5. Select Only Me to set the post visibility to private, visible only to you. Step 6. Finally, tap Done to save the changes and hide the post from others. By following these steps, you can easily control the visibility of your posts on Facebook by hiding them from others after they have been posted. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to hide a post on Facebook after posting it. Enjoy the flexibility and control over your posts by managing their visibility on Facebook, ensuring your content is shared only with the audience you choose.